Hi, okay. Can you say the title of this book?
The title is My Mother Thinks She's a Kid.
Okay, let's read. Ready, start.
My mother thinks she's a kid. When she wakes me up, she whips up a fort with my sheet. We crawl underneath it. Be careful of the earth, we whisper, watching shadows move over our tent. Let's have pancakes for breakfast, she says. We pour pancakes batter onto the frying pan. As we add blueberry ice, she sings to me. Flip high, hit the sky, power on 0 miles high. When it rains, she brings rubber boots and umbrella to my school. We walk through puddles and splash in streams. When school out early because of snow, we walk past the creeping cars. We cannot see where the road and yard and wood stand. We laugh and whoop and slide over an open world. When I'm sick, she school nurse does art. The school nurse calls my mother. She arrives clapping and smiling. Hooray! You're coming home! We sit all day on the sofa and watch cartoons. We eat oranges and shake the seeds. We plant them in our seed tray at the window.
Okay, good job.